It is February 3rd, 2021. I just matted this drawing that I did the black ink portions of sitting on the ground at Auschwitz I in Poland on July 29th, 1984. Which I wrote at the time, Auschwitz, wall, gate, bricks, past barracks, Segan. Later on, I added the rubber stamps, more writing, something about Klaus Barbie here, SS. These stamps were from the old art and music department at Seattle Public Library, historical, religious reference copy, architectural details, architectural types, cities and towns, Poland. I don't actually have any of those stamps, even though they were discarded by the library. Parts, Anulowano, like void in Polish, if my memory is correct. Remember that in a passport stamp from letters I sent from Poland or to my folks, whomever. Also like a Polish postal sticker there. Krakow 61. Polish 50s złotych stamp there. So like black and white plants I drew on site. Again, the color I did later. There's one of those lamps that were on along the poles and barbed wire. I believe you can see those in photographs, contemporarily made photographs of the Auschwitz and Birkenau death camp complexes. This rubber stamp I have overlooked, please attend to. Looks like windows in the barracks, bricks here. Alright, there you have it. Listening to a recording that I got from a Polish friend of mine. 1930s era Polish Jewish performers. Most of whom were probably murdered. Alright, there you have it. At least I can get the camera front or back. Hang on. Get the whole thing in there. Alright, there you have it.